Hello students, today we are going to learn our new lesson evolution of mankind. In this lesson we have to learn about from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens and Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. In the previous lesson we learned that the primitive man evolved from apes. The next step for humans was learning to use their hands effectively to make tools. Now, let us see 5.1 from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens, the skilled human. Homo habilis, the skilled human, was discovered in border region between Tanzania and Kenya by Louis Leakey. He could stand on two legs and walk, but was not erect due to slight bend in his spine. His appearance was similar to apes, but his brain was bigger. He made stone tools to scrape meat from the skin and dead animals or to break bone to get marrow. He was a scavenger. As he ate leftover of animals that had been hunted by other animals, he gathered eggs, wild fruit and roots and hunted small animals to eat. Now let us see about Homo erectus. Homo erectus marks an important stage in human evolution. Erectus means the one who stands erect, hence the name Homo erectus. Compared to Homo habilis, he had a more developed brain. Humans of the Homo erectus species live in groups. He knew uses of fire but had not mastered the technique of making fire. More developed and symmetrical tools such as hand axe. His remains were found in Africa, Asia and Europe. Now let us see about Homo neanderthalensis. He was known as the Neanderthal man as his remains were found at Neanderthal in Germany. He was physically big and strong and his brain was more developed than Homo erectus. He made tools out of big pebbles and flakes, scrap from pebbles. These include spear, hand axe and scraper. The Neanderthal hunted big animals. They used leather clothing. They were mainly meat eaters. They ate meat roasted on fire. They knew the art of making fire by rubbing sticks of hardwood on each other or by striking one flintstone. Flintstone means what? Gargoti. On another to obtain sparks. It is likely that the Neanderthal had developed some artistic skills. Some scientists believe that they also communicated with each other by producing grunts and other primary sounds. It is not known whether they had a developed language system to express their thoughts with the help of words. When a member of the group died, the Neanderthals buried tools, horns, along with the dead body. Also, they apply red ochre to the dead body before burying it. It indicates that the Neanderthals had established some rituals of burying the dead. In the course of time, some groups of Neanderthals left Africa and migrated up to the continent of Europe and Asia. Naturally, they had to face a different environment. They had to adopt new ways of living and finding food. Therefore, they went on modifying and improving the tools that were essential in their life. However, the improvement in tools took place over thousands of years. Now, remaining part of the lesson we will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you.